I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
Hey everybody, I'm back. It's Scott Gold. Well, I'm in the kitchen tonight and I thought I would show you what I've gotten up to. I'm making arancini, which is Italian rice balls. The last batch is frying up there and I have a little bit of the mixture left there on the right. It's made from 4 cups of cooked and cooled rice. Leftover works great. I have a ½ pound of ricotta, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan, 2 beaten eggs. I added some peas and some basil, some garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper, formed them into balls, and then in the center I formed a chunk of mozzarella, and as they fry, the mozzarella gets very melty and the inside is very creamy and the outside is very nice and crisp. And over that, I just simply served it with some marinara and a little bit of extra Parmesan. So I hope you're all having something yummy for dinner tonight, and if you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late. If you have, welcome to the family. I love you for watching.